Good morning, students. Today we are going to see degrees of comparison. First, let us know the meaning of comparison. It means an act of comparing. Okay, we used to compare things or people to find differences or else the similarities between two or more things or people. Usually we used to compare to find differences between things or people. That is known as comparison. Before knowing what is degrees of comparison, let us recall adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Okay, or else it tells more about a noun or pronoun. It describes or else it used to give additional information about a noun. So that noun may be a person, things, birds, animals, etc. For example, Tom is a clever boy. Here, Tom is a boy. So both Tom and boy is a noun. Okay. So what kind of boy is Tom? He is a clever boy. So this word clever is an adjective. So it describes, it gives additional information about the noun Tom. Second example, it is a bright day. So here day is a noun. So how is a day? How is that day? Is it dull? No, here it is given as bright. So the day is bright. Here the noun day is described as bright. This is additional information about the day. The day is described as bright. So it is an adjective. Now let us see what are the kinds of comparison. Okay, so there are 3 degrees of comparison, 3 forms of comparison. So first one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. So first let us know what is positive degree. An adjective, okay, an adjective that does not make a comparison. There is no one to compare. There is nothing to compare. It is said to be positive degree. Okay, for example, Kumar is a kind man. It is just a statement. There is no one to compare with Kumar. So he is a kind man. Just a statement. It is not compared with any other man. Okay, so that is known as positive degree. So second one, comparative degree. So comparative degree is used to compare differences between 2 objects with 2 objects, 2 things, objects, or 2 person, anything else it may be. Here, tsunami is more destructive than cyclone. Here, tsunami is compared with cyclone. Okay, so two destructive things are given here. First one is tsunami and cyclone. So here tsunami is compared with cyclone. So look at the change of adjective here. It is mentioned as more destructive. So it is used to compare two things. Okay, so tsunami is more destructive than cyclone, which means cyclone is lesser than tsunami. So comparative degree, in comparative degree we used to compare two things or two objects or two persons. Superlative degree. Okay, let us see another example also. Here, mango is sweeter than pineapple. Mango is sweeter than pineapple. Here they have given two fruits, mango, pineapple. So both are compared here. Okay, so it is compared with two things. So mango is sweeter than pineapple. So pineapple is lesser than mango. So two things are compared here. So it is known as comparative degree. Okay. Now let us know what is superlative degree. So here the superlative degree is used to compare more than two things. Okay, it is compared with more than two things, two objects, two things or two persons, anything else it may be. Example, mango is the sweetest fruit. Mango is the sweetest fruit. Here they didn't mention any particular fruit. Like here it is mentioned as mango, pineapple. But here see, they have given only mango and here fruit. They didn't mention any particular fruit here. So here fruit means all the fruits. The fruit mango is compared with all fruits. So mango is the sweetest of all the fruits. So this sentence means mango is the sweetest. Completely it is the one and only sweetest of all fruits. Okay. So this adjective differs according to the degrees. Okay. Here positive degree means we use tall. Comparative degree taller. Superlative degree tallest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. So if it is a statement, just a statement without comparing, we used the adjective as it is. Okay, sweet. Here we used to compare with two things or fruits or animals, birds, anything else it may be. So it is sweeter than. We use the word sweeter than. In superlative degree, we used to compare with more than two things. So we use tallest, sweetest, hardest. Here they have given more examples. Prabhu is young. So this Prabhu is not compared with anyone else. It's just a statement. There is no other person here. Prabhu is young. That's it. So it is positive degree. Here Prabhu is younger than Amrita. So Prabhu is younger than Amirta. So Prabhu is compared with Amirta. Only two persons are here. Prabhu is compared with Amirta. So it is comparative degree. So we are using younger than. This than. Prabhu is the youngest of all. So here it is given all. So it is more than 2. The number is not mentioned here. So Prabhu is the youngest. Is the youngest. We are using est with this adjective. Okay. In comparative degree, we use er with adjective and the word than. Okay. So Prabhu is the youngest of all. It is superlative degree. So here is an exercise and they have asked us to compare the items in each picture, okay, using er, more, less or an irregular form. So we have to use these words with the adjectives given in this box. And the picture is given here. And it is a pizza, it is a junk food, and here it is given vegetables. So they have given the adjectives here. So Indian food, okay, so this vegetables, it is Indian food, okay, and it is an Italian food. We all know this. It is not our kind of food, okay. So Indian food is healthier than Italian food, or else you can write vegetables are healthier than pizza, okay. And wholesome. Pizza is not so wholesome. It is not a complete food, okay. We used to eat for taste, okay, but vegetables are healthier than the pizza, okay. So pizza is not so wholesome as vegetables. Or else you can write vegetables are so wholesome than pizza. Vegetables have more calories, okay. It is calorific value than junk food. It has more calories than the junk food. Here they have given bicycle and a bike. And they have given the adjectives here. Eco-friendly, economical, safer. Okay. Bicycle is the most eco-friendly vehicle. So it is a statement. It is not compared here with the bike. Bicycle is more economical than the motorbike. In superlative, bicycles are safer than the motorbikes. So here motorbikes means it is given as many. Okay, more than 2. Here it is given radio and mobile phones. So the adjectives given here are educational, interesting and trendy. Mobile phones are also one of the best educational too. Mobile phones are more interesting than radio. So the first sentence is just a statement. It is not compared with any other thing. And in second sentence, the mobile phones are compared with radio. Android phones are trendier than radio. So in common. So next one, bus and train. Safe, comfortable, quick. Train journey is safer than by bus. Train is more comfortable than the bus. So it is compared. train is quicker than bus journey. So fifth one, sofa and chair. Sofa is costlier than the chair. So sofa, the cost of the sofa is costlier than the chair. Sofa is costlier and costlier than the chair. The chair is sturdier than the sofa. So I think you can be able to understand the adjectives, the change of adjectives given here. When it is a statement and when it is compared with two things and when it is compared with many things. So we have to change the adjectives according to the degrees. Thank you, students.